my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Bonnie Walsh, period, because there's only one bite. I'm just playing. I'm pretty sure it's a lot, but anywho, y'all, it's been forever. I already know y'all miss me. Y'all don't have to tell me, but while I was gone, I realized a little bit wrapped up those numbers. Now I'm at 91, and if you are a new follower, welcome. And I would love to know how y'all found me. How y'all found y'all girls. Well, I'm gonna be honest, if you are new and you are here, I am not the everyday makeup girl, and I am damn sure not the camera makeup girl, but you know, I do what I could do and I make it happen. Anywho, do y'all like this new haircut? This new hair? Y'all do. I'm so happy y'all like. Well, guess what, girl? Come closer. I want to tell you something. Come closer. I'm about to show you how to do it. I'm about to show you how to get this style just how I have mine. And I'm going to put y'all on game with this vendor. Not a vendor, but a hair supply website on AliExpress actually did a really good job on this wig. And I think I went on a whole rant about how it was shading. But since I cut it, homegirl it curls fabulously. Anywho, y'all probably wondering, y'all not wondering, but I just want to tell you guys, I literally burned my hand on the flat iron as I was like moving something over. So this is what happened. I'm putting ice on it. But if y'all want to see how I achieve this look and which hair I use and how I feel about this hair, y'all continue to watch. And y'all will see how I achieve this look. And don't forget to subscribe. You can tell my hair is fully braided back and is ready to apply this wig. But before we apply this wig, we need to make sure our edges are clean and wiped down, because you want the lace to stay at least for 2 weeks or a week, whatever works for you. Let's start cleaning the area of our lace. Then you want to go in with your Got To Be glue to lay those edges down before you apply the wig cap. And this is the Got To Be glue that I'm going to use. I have like a little miniature version because I wasn't expecting to use a lot, because I only use it on my edges, which is bad, but it works. So you're going to take a good amount and you're going to apply it around the perimeter of your hair. To make sure it's all smoothed out, and that's pretty much what I'm doing. And you can still see white, but the blow dryer, once I dry it with the wig cap on, you're not gonna be able to tell. It ain't gonna even be there. So you see this regular frontal cap, you're gonna put this on your head, and you want to make sure you put it as, girl, this is gonna take off my lashes. I mean, okay, you wanna make sure it's like this. This is definitely gonna. So now that the wig cap on, you need to take your needle and thread, and you need to lay the cap down with the needle and thread. So now you want to take the spray and you want to spray it on your hairline, and only your hairline. So now I'm going to take it and I'm going to blow dry it for a little while until it sticks to my scalp. Start cutting the hairline, right? make sure, you know how it is, it's shaped funny. I'm gonna make sure I keep it like this direction. So before I even apply the wig, you have to take your makeup brush and you pretty much have to blend the wig. My fit powder called in MOCHA, and I am going to apply it to the wig. So now it's time to clean the perimeter of the hair, because if you don't clean it and you apply the glue, your wig won't stay. So you need to make sure it is glued down. So what you're gonna take, at one point in America, you was only able to literally find what you could find when it came to alcohol. So I got these little packs, right? These little alcohol packs, and I use it to clean the lining. Some people say use 99%, but of course I don't have 99%. This is 70% alcohol. So yeah, let me just do what I got. So let's go. And honestly, you don't even have to really even glue it down. Got this glue from, it's a messy. I got this glue from Amazon. It works pretty good. I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to do it. Put it around my hairline. But it doesn't really come out like how I want it to come out. So you want to do like little dots. Okay, so as you can see, I have little 2 dots, but I am going to do 2 layers. I'm gonna try to dry this one off, and then look, I'm wiping the comb because I'm about to lay this shit down. I'm about to lay it down. So I'm about to use this comb just to spread it out. One more drop, and then I am going to go to the blow dryer. Y'all, this wig was a struggle to just put on. As you can see, it looks sloppy right now, but I'm gonna take this foaming mousse, and I'm gonna put it around the hairline, not on the actual lace, but around it. And then I'm gonna take some elastic bands and I'm gonna wrap it around. Hopefully I can clean this mess up. Go ahead and then possibly style it until like it dries. Yay, let's see if it's straight. I did eat. It's straight. So what I'm gonna do now, like, I hate this hair, y'all. I need life. Y'all, I'm not that everyday makeup YouTube tutorial girl, so I hope y'all respect my realness. I hope y'all can respect my realness. And yeah, I'm probably gonna be like, what? So first I'm gonna flat iron it because I'm gonna cut it into some layers and try to do the whole 70s style. Let's see how that works. I mean, I think this is my right, y'all. Don't listen to me, but it's almost like if whatever side I start on, that means the other side is gonna be messed up. I'm just crazy like that, y'all. So because my camera battery died, I finished curling. You see? I think I got some how it looks, so I switched to my phone, and let's go ahead and take it off and see. Oh, not bad at all. For watching the video until the end. If you are watching this, guess what? You have just won yourself a new frontal wig. I'm just playing. In due time, ladies, in due time. But if you're watching this video, you just found out how to get this stylish look for the low one. So don't forget to click the link if you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the red notification bell